Today we're going to be talking about ratios and rates. And a ratio is a comparison of two numbers by division. And you can show division four different ways. I've got four examples here that you should write. The first one is the fraction, a/b or a over b. The next is the colon, a to b. The third way, you might actually see the words to, and then the last way would be using the words A out of B. And so today we're going to write ratios and just practice simplifying them. The example says 8 Siamese cats out of 28 cats. Well, it's very important that whatever's listed first, that's what I write in my numerator, 8. And then the last listed term, or 28 cats, is going to go in my denominator. The next thing says to convert to the same unit. So I look at the units, and all I'm talking about are cats and cats. Well, cats are the same, so I don't need to use any conversions. If I had some measurement, then I may have to use some conversions later on. And the last step says to simplify. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 28 divided by 4 is 7. So 2 out of 7 cats are Siamese. Now, the next thing that we want to take a look at is, let me do some erasing here real quick. And get rid of that. And then I'll get rid of some of these here. Another kind of another kind of ratio that you're going to see is a rate. And basically all a rate is a ratio that compares two different measurement units. So what I see is miles per hour, cost per gallon, cost per pound. All of those are very common where you're talking about maybe distance compared to time or an amount of money compared to volume, that kind of thing. And in a unit rate, we're asking how much for one. So let's take a look and see if we can find the unit rate here. We're talking about a trip to Nashville, from Nashville to Birmingham, Alabama, and Kenny drove 187 miles in 3 hours. What is his average speed in miles per hour? Okay, so I want to find out how far could he go in 1 hour. So you just set up the ratio, 87 miles over 3 hours, and you're simply going to divide 187 divided by 3. So he went approximately 62 miles per hour. Sometimes you'll be given graphs, and you're going to have to determine what some rates are for the graphs. So it says David's annual salary is $35,000. Sam's annual salary is $20,000. How much more does David earn than Sam per month? Okay, annual, and you may know, means yearly. So this is how much they're making per year. So David is making $35,000 per year. I'm going to have to do a unit conversion because I want to know how much is he making per month. Well, there's 12 months in a year. So I would do 35,000 divided by 12. So he's making approximately $2,916.67 per month. Sam is making $20,000 per year. So that means I would have to convert my units to 12 months, and 20,000 divided by 12 will give me $1,666 and about 67 cents. Now, the question says, how much more does David earn than Sam? So per month. So I know that David is earning this, and Sam is earning this. So in order to find the difference or how much more David makes, I'm going to have to subtract those. 2,000. Let me scroll down here a little bit so I can show you. $2,916 for David, and I'm going to subtract Sam's. And when I do that, I get a difference of $1,250 or $1,250. So each month, David makes $1,250 more than Sam does.